Well, it's good to sit down with you, Dr. Shaw. Before we kind of talked about all the amazing services you have here and the technology and AI and state-of-the-art equipment. And so I'm just curious, just a plain cosmetic makeover, just kind of a smile. I have some crooked teeth and some bonding that's come off. So what do we do in that process?
So there's an entire diagnostic workup that we started with. Patients kind of like to have an idea where they end up at.
Right.
So we start from the end and work backwards.
Okay.
So you would come in, we do a diagnostic, wax up, a digital one, where you can take a look at what your teeth would essentially look like. And once we have you in for your first appointment, you would be able to get these temporaries on to correct those. And that gives you an opportunity for several weeks to give us feedback on what you like and don't like about them. So when we make the finals, they meet your expectation exactly what you wanted.
Nice. So it's kind of a mutual collaboration, right? You're not just sort of telling me what you think I want. It's kind of, we agree with what the best look is or what I'm comfortable with.
Correct. These improvements in technology allow us to do this now. Back in the day, they would just take an impression and they would deliver the finals and you'd be kind of stuck with what you have. You'd have to constantly change them. But now we want to know exactly what our end product is going to be like before we get started.
So what is the entire process time-wise?
Depending on how the patient likes the temporaries, we could make them in 2 weeks' time to finish. Or we can also keep the patient in temporaries for up to 6 months, making adjustments, getting their bite right, making twists and changes. Therefore, the product at the end is very pleasing and aesthetic to the patient.
I love it. It's very exciting. And then you can also this is our home for just good hygiene care, and God forbid if we needed implants or something else in the future.
That's right. We provide all those additional services and your general care, where you recommend that you come in twice a year to get a cleaning and exam done and kind of stay on the up with your teeth.
Great. And where can our viewers get more information?
I would recommend going to desertdreamdentistry.com and starting the process from there, or calling us directly at the office.
Great. Coming in for a consultation, state of the art, all the way to AI helping us out here.
That's right. It's important to also invest in your business, so I do a lot of that, and always upgrading our systems, technologies, and knowledge.
Great. Well, I love this process. It really takes away a lot of the anxiety. I feel very calm. I feel very confident. So we'll see if I'm going to do a complete smile makeover. Because as you said earlier, if you smile, the world smiles with you.
That's correct. We hope that you choose us as your provider.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.